Hello and welcome to lesson 1.02 about motivation. In this lesson, you're going to learn about different motivation types and you're going to find out about what motivates you. The first page in the lesson is going to go over the difference between extrinsic motivation and intrinsic motivation. Extrinsic motivation is when you're motivated by things outside of yourselves, like maybe rewards or money or things like that. Intrinsic motivation is when you're motivated within yourself. You do things for an internal reward. So read through both of those explanations and see which one you think fits you most. Then the next page is going to go over some different motivation styles. On the top, you're going to decide whether or not you see yourself more as a producer or a connector. How about, do you prefer stability or variety? And then think about whether you're motivated externally or internally. So you're going to decide one of those two for each pair. And then the bottom, you're going to read the different motivation types and decide which one fits you best. Do you think you are a director, a visionary, a chief, a champion, a supporter, a relator, a refiner, or an explorer? And they give definitions of each of those. So read through those and see which one you think best explains your motivation type. There is a quiz that you're going to take at the end of 1.02. But there's also a written assignment that you have to do in 1.02 that's going to be about goal modification. What you're going to do in this assignment is you're going to take those 3 SMART goals that you created in assignment 1.01. And here you're going to revise them based on your motivation type. So you're going to make sure they fit your motivation type. And here's an example. So here's the goal on the left. That's the SMART goal that you created in the first assignment. You're going to modify it based on your motivation type and explain here. Here they say this will work because I like variety over stability. Remember, those were 2 options of the motivation types. So it's very, very important on this explanation side that you must mention the motivation styles you learned about in the lesson in order to get full credit. So I should see intrinsic, extrinsic, variety, stability, producer, connector, some type of language like that on the right side in your explanation in order to get full credit for this assignment. Thanks a lot.